Autumn is my favorite time to explore in the woods. The bugs are all gone and the temperature's perfect. And there's just something magical about being out in the forest. Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Smith. Welcome back to Fun Size Adventures, where we're all about getting outside and having adventures and getting active as a family. Today I got home from work and my two younger kids were just put down for a nap. So I got Ethan and Calvin and we're heading out for a bike ride. We're gonna explore around this stream that we've been to before, but we don't know where the stream goes. So we're gonna just explore around by the water and have a good time. Wild apples.
I want one. Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. I don't know if they're good to eat. If you get a disease, it's not my fault.
It tastes like sweet, but until it got bad.
Nope. It tastes sweet till it got bad.
Oh no, it.
Nobody listens to me. All right, we've made it to the creek in no time. These boys are getting so good at biking. Now we're going to explore around the corner a little bit. Just see what kind of wildlife we can find. Oh, we found a frog. Let's go check it out. Whoa.
Hey, Dad, you see him? You see him?
Oh, where'd he go? Oh,
Oh, there he is. Oh, now he's right there.
where is he?
Right there. Right there.
Oh.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, I see him. Hold on. Don't scare him. Let's see if I can get... Oh, he's scooting that way. So like I was saying, we're going to see what kind of wildlife we can find down here.
Daddy, let me try something.
One thing, we want to make sure that we're careful not to disturb too much because we are off the trail, and I don't know if we're supposed to go off the trail, so we want to be careful that we're not destroying anything or messing up any natural habitats of these frogs or whatever else we find.
One time we went here with Uncle Ben, and there was a beaver tree down there. It was just a tiny baby one, but a beaver cut down.
Oh yeah? Oh no, it's Ethan Oakenshield. Yeah, I don't know if we can get much farther.
Go this way, on here.
Oh, look at all these mushrooms growing on this dead log.
Don't touch them, or might poison us.
Well, they might be, but I don't think they're poisonous unless you eat them. Whoa, even down here, they're like all over.
Oh yeah, now we can go far.
So we came down, it looks like it does a big U-turn around. Is that a beaver dam right there? Or is that, did stuff just get caught there? Let's see if we can jump across. Not even gonna try. Standing broad jump. Yeah, it's curving around over here and then. Oh, Mr. Snaps. Yeah, this is kind of a cool spot here. Then it looks like, and then it zigzags back around this way and heads down there. Oh no, that's just a little bit of rapids.
Crazy me.
Crazy you. Well, let's go a tiny bit further because it looks like it kind of opens up out of the woods. You go that way and I'll stay up this side.
You can. Oh, guys, let me do something real quick. Oh, the Venga! Oh, that's what I was saying.
That's what you were gonna do? Oh, you know what I could probably do? 2, 1. Oh, deer footprints. Look at
Yeah,
these.
I saw that.
Did you get a video?
Daddy.
Some deer footprints. Human, deer.
But you have to be here. I mean, you see, I can jump that far.
It's definitely opening up into like some swampland, but how it's swampier land, it's getting more overgrown. So I think that's about as far as we are gonna go. We found some deer prints, we found some frogs, We kind of just explored this little ecosystem back here around this little creek. Oh no.
Whoa!
No.
I found something.
Oh, what's that?
A snake.
Oh yeah, it definitely looks like something was digging a hole. All right, let's head back to the trail, guys.
A beaver cut this.
We
down.
think?
Yep, it's beaver teeth.
Beaver teeth?
Beaver teeth.
Beaver or beaver?
Okay, this way.
This way? I hear something in the bushes. It's Calvin! Ah! Okay. It's so nice now that the weather's cooled off. You know, that nice crisp fall weather. And you can do things like this without sweating to death again. Do you guys want to ride your bike around here if I try to fly my drone for a second?
If you want to.
Oh, finally caught a frog. Yeah, oh, that's a cool frog. Oh, yeah, make sure you put him back in the water and don't hurt him. If my drone can't get a couple more satellites, then I can't take off. And my controller battery's dying. So we got 8 satellites, but still no GPS. Oh, we got GPS. Okay, we'll take a quick flight. Look at that view. Woo! That was a lot of fun. We got the bikes out. We didn't get sweaty for once. We got to explore around that stream and find some wildlife, and we just had a good time. And now Calvin's gonna make it back up the hill. We're gonna take it slowly but surely. If we need to walk, we're gonna walk.
And we're gonna be so strong to make it back.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Oh, maybe not. Calvin's on the ground. Medic, medic. Are you okay? What seems to be the problem, sir? Your foot's trapped?
Yeah.
Oh!
You have to keep that on.
So move aside, make way for Fireman Jeff, cause he's gonna save the day. Oh, poop! I almost hit the poop. Thank you guys for coming on this adventure with us. If you want to go on another one, make sure you click on one of these videos over on the side and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so you can come on more adventures with us in the future. Until next time, what do they do, Cal?
I don't know.
Until next time, go have a fun-sized adventure of your own. I'm gonna fall. Whoa!